Hi, my name's Nick, and this is the BasketCase. And it barely fits in the screen, in the frame. Yes. It is a multiple print, all-in-one desiccant drying solution made to be used with the PolyDryer. So, let's go step by step. This is the basket part. This is where the desiccant goes in. It has multiple compartments for desiccant distribution. It has a lot of ventilation on sides and on the front, well, and technically on the top as well. And this is where the desiccant goes in. Good. But then you ask, well, how does the desiccant go in? Well, simple. The case that you saw before is also a funnel. I should really back up the camera. And when you put the funnel on top, you basically fill it with desiccant. Beautiful, isn't it? Well, then you ask, well, how do you get it out of the thing? Well, that's where this thing comes in. It is a funnel, or the top, or however I named it. Yeah, and it attaches to the basket like so. You can attach it front, side, back, whatever. You can jiggle it around. And then when it's done, you basically pour it out through the front nozzle. So, and then when you're done with everything, you can just pick up the top or the big box funnel and put it away neatly for storage. So, here we have the basket itself, neat. And here I have about a kilo of desiccant that is nice and dry. Now I'm going to attach the basket with the case funnel. Well, this is not going to be awkward at all. And I'm going to pour it inside. If this goes everywhere. Yep. Now it sits at a certain level right now. The thing can take about 750 grams of desiccant. And there's no spillover because, well, the funnel is quite tall. And after you're done putting all the desiccant in, you basically just shake it up a bit to get any loose desiccant from spilling away. See, it's all very much neat and contained. Now we take the poly box and just put it straight in. You can leave the hydrometer in or take it out, it doesn't really matter. It sits neatly there. And then you take the top cover, put it, close it, and set it to dry. Well, now that this is done, you simply take it away. You have a neat little handle here to take everything out, put it down. And now because you don't want desiccant everywhere, or maybe you even have a funneling system to put it directly into, well, whatever dry box you have. So you just take this attachment, take your dry desiccant storage place, and just pour it. It is on the slow side. Now that it's all poured out, you can tap it for any loose desiccant to basically drop down. And then you open it, remove it, and here's the rest of the desiccant. And as you can see, there's no desiccant jumping around if there's a stray one or two balls. That's totally fine. And now we just close it up, put it away, and now just take our dry box, this side, and put it away for storage for later. So the best part of this desiccant solution is basically it is 3 separate prints. There's 3 separate prints, 2 materials, and one in all solution. There we go. That makes sense. It's basically all the files you need are available in the description below. All the links, all the various sites that this is going to be available at. It is all free, and the instructions are included in the files. And the best part, it's well, hey, microphone, 0 support. I just came up with that. That's actually pretty genius. Well, that is it. Thanks.